Good day, everyone. I'm here with one of the official candidates of Mr. Friendship International Philippines. I'm here with Cebu City. Hi.
Hi, hello guys. Welcome to Pageant Trend. I am Vince Drexeltitude, 23 years old, representing Cebu City, and I am a graduate of Bachelor's of Science in Criminology.
Wow, nice. Vince,
Yes.
you're 23 years old.
Yes.
First time mo ba mag-join ng mga national pageant?
Oo, first pa to na national pageant ko.
Wow. So, how was your journey here at Mr. Friendship International Philippines?
Ayun, bagay na bagay yung pangalan ng pageant na to, Mr. Friendship, dahil kami dito mga kandidata, nagre-represent kami ng iba-ibang city. Tapos, ayun, nagkaka-bonding, nagkakaibigan kaming lahat kahit 3 araw pa lang kami.
Where are you in Cebu?
Talamban, Cebu City.
Talamban.
Oo.
What made you decide to join Mr. Friendship International Philippines?
Well, what made me decide to join Mr. Friendship International Philippines kasi nung sumali ako sa Misters of Filipinas Talisay, may award ako na Mr. Congeniality. Tapos yun, kasi marunong akong makipaghalubilo eh. Gustong-gusto ko makipag-socialize, magkaroon ng kaibigan. Kaya yun, naisipan ko na sumalian lang ako dito.
So what's really your purpose of joining the pageant?
My purpose ko is ipahayag na hindi dahil iba-iba tayo, iba-iba yung kultura natin, iba-iba yung lingwahe natin. Magkakaisa tayo dahil Pilipino tayo eh. Kaya yun. Gusto ko i-represent tayong Pilipinas na united tayo. Ayun.
So how prepared are you on this competition?
Well, how prepared I am? Yun, ginalingan ko talaga. Nagpa-practice akong mag-English, like akong mag-isa. Tapos, nag-gym ako. Busy, hectic kasi yung schedule ko. Nagre-review ako, pumupunta ako sa gym. Tapos, nagpa-practice ako ng Q&A. Tapos, anak pa ako, may mga responsibilidad, may mga events pa. Pero ayun, kaya naman, time management lang.
So what's the hardest part of this joining the pageant?
What's the hardest part of joining this kind of pageant is that mayroon ka talagang dapat isakripisyo eh. Kasi kaya kagaya ko ngayon, nagre-review ako, absent ako. Pero babawi ako. Kaya yun, risk lang tapos bawi.
What do you think is your best assets and as well as qualities that will make you crown as Mr. Friendship Philippines?
I think yung pinaka-best asset ko is kung paano ako makipaghalubilo. Mapakaibigan kasi ako eh. Kaya yun, isa yung best asset ko. Tapos yung qualities ko naman is dedikado ako, may determinasyon ako. Ayun.
You're one of the front runner here at Mr. Friendship Philippines. So how do you feel about that?
Yeah, I am really pressured about it dahil yung mga tao, marami yung expectation. Tapos what if, ganito, ganyan. Pero ginagawa ko naman yung lahat. Ginagawa ko yung best ko.
Alright. And again, your message to your co-candidates and as well as the persons behind your journey.
My message to my co-candidates is galingan nating lahat. Hindi tayo pumunta dito para lang manalo. Pumunta tayo dito para magkaisa. Para ipahayag sa ating ipahayag natin yung ating mga plataforma, ating mga advokasya na gusto nating gawin para sa hinaharap, para makatulong tayo sa ating komunidad.
Alright. Thank you so much, Vince, and best of luck on your journey here at Mr. Friendship Philippines.
Thank you, Pageant Trend.
Bye-bye.